Alright guys, got another short little video for you. Just got another package from Amazon. I got 4 more of these quick change tool holders. So I can pretty much just get all the bits that I normally use, just set up and just get them sitting there on that holder back there. Once that polyurethane's finished curing up, figure out somewhere to get it mounted on the wall. But and also got off of eBay these 3D printed locks. They just go on the bull gear. So when you have to get the chuck off, so you don't end up breaking your gears trying to do it some other way. But for the 10 or 12 bucks that those were each, I figure it's cheap insurance to have them. So this was just another extra piece of cherry from my first attempt at cutting those dovetails. So I just kind of squared it up, and I'll probably just drill some holes in here to hold some of my other tools. So that's all. Just wanted to make a short video for you. I think the backing plate for that new chuck should be here tomorrow. The chuck showed up, but still waiting on the backing plate, and then I'll get turning some mandrels, and that bushing should be here too tomorrow for those change gears. So I can be using the power feed. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.